guys, good morning to all. I hope everyone is healthy and happy today. So, it's Maya Mia and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to make some dessert. So I bought the avocado yesterday, so I decided to make avocado Graham. Oh, it sounds delicious and it's very simple to make. Avocado is very healthy, one of the healthiest fruits. Avocado is one of my favorite fruits, guys, so I always love to put on my salad, or I'm going to make some smoothie. Avocados are high in fat, with 60% of this being monounsaturated fats, which research suggests helps to protect against heart disease and lower blood pressure. They are also an excellent source of potassium, folate, and fiber. making my avocado graham. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and please comment down below. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click the notification bell below so that you are updated to my next video. So that's all, guys. See you again to my next video. Have a good day and God bless you all. Bye bye.